People smell good on skin, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am DUWAIN-SCENT and I'm here helping you to smell your best. So if you love to smell your best, consider subscribing to the channel and be a part of the Smell Good community. Denise and I are unboxing Jean-Paul Gaultier Classique. And this is a female perfume and it was released in 2020. So without further ado, we are going to uncan this fragrance. First thing we're going to do, we are going to move the cellophane. Here it is. We also have some online comments, persons who had an experience with the fragrance, so we are going to read that as well. And Denise is going to give you a score ranking later on in the video, so you want to stick around for that. Wow, this is beautiful. It's cute. And you can see the dress. This is a evening dress. And this dress is the strapless bodycon dress or sleeveless short pencil dress. Wow. This is nice. This looks very decorative. I think about this, Denise.
Very nice. It's gorgeous. I think it smells good. Looking at it, I'm judging that it's wonderful as it looks.
All right, so first thing, we are going to read one of the comments. And Delia said, I got this at Christmas from the Bay for a very good price, 100 ml for 60 Canadian dollars. I love it. My partner likes it. It's seductive. Right, so we are going to read the notes. Top notes are ginger, citron. Hidden notes are orange blossom, marshmallow. Base note are vanilla and amber. So let's spray the fragrance. And bright.
I can smell the citrus. Wow.
Not, it is citrus, but really and truly, it is a citron.
It smells ginger.
Yes, I'm smelling the ginger and it have a little soapy kind of smell. It kind of want to have a little like cleaning agent in the opening.
Maybe because of it's strong, but after a while, it's really great. Yeah, this is wonderful.
It also have a lipstick kind of smell. So, Denise, where would you wear this fragrance?
Definitely, I would wear this fragrance on an evening occasion. Yeah, it's cool.
And you would definitely have to wear a dress like this.
Yeah, right? The fragrance matches with that outfit.
It kind of have a sexy.
I was going to say the same thing.
A sexy scent, like.
Yeah, you took the juicy cookie off my lips. I was going to make that comment.
Yes, it's starting to smell bubblicious. And this fragrance seems like it will be good for sexy time. And when I say sexy time, I mean, you know, you're gonna have sexual intercourse, you ladies. Remember to wear your lingerie and just spray. Put that. You don't have to use too much because this perfume is very strong. It is very sexy. I like it. It's very seductive.
Yeah.
So I have one more comment. So I'm gonna read it for you.
Ladies, wear it for your man or your husband, boyfriend. They will love it.
This person, Razor 1990, say amazing fragrance, icy and luminous, really gorgeous. The vanilla is very soft and pleasant. The ginger steals the show here, followed by an uplifting amber. This is better than the original. Projects very for an hour or so. I recommend it to an old Hollywood diva. Final note, 10 out of 10. Razor gave this fragrance 10 out of 10. So Denise, out of a score of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, how much would you rate Jean Paul Gaultier Classique Pin-Up?
Well, honestly, I would give this fragrance 8 out of 10, or could be a 9 out of 10 as well. Yeah.
Okay, so she's saying she's gonna give this fragrance
between an 8 out of 8 or 9, somewhere along that line.
So 8 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10?
Somewhere in between right there.
For me, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Okay? And it's starting to dry down to a sweet marshmallow, very pleasant state. And I really like it. And if you enjoyed the video, please to give the video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. You can smell good on skin.